Success. What success do you achieve? I don't know if it matters to someone or not, but passing the entrance exam to university was a huge success for me. When did you get that success? I got it 6 years ago. It's been 2 years since I left university. Was there anyone who supported you? My family supported me a lot. My mom prepared good meals for me, while my dad helped me with hard math problems. Was it hard to get that success? It was hard for me since I wasn't good at academic subjects at all. What were some difficulties in achieving success? The period before the exam was quite stressful. I was so obsessed with it that I had a serious headache. How did you get it? I stuck to books day and night. I just stopped reading and writing when I felt I knew thoroughly about the matters. How did you feel when you were successful? I was over the moon then. I was looking forward to campus life. How did your life change after that success? I had a chance to learn my favorite major at my desired university and then got a high-paying job in an active working environment. What is your key to success? I don't have any key to success. Just work hard and try your best. Everything good will come to you.